Okay, the land in Hargigo is a dry and dusty. There is very little rain. It is hard for leafy plants to grow, and the sheep and goats that eat leaves did not have enough food. The scientists had an idea to plant mangrove trees, okay, by the shore of the salty Red Sea, so the animals could eat the fat green leaves of the trees. The scientist with the idea was Dr. Gordon Sato. He decided to plant mangrove trees because their roots and leaves help them live in salty water. The roots stick out like pencils above the water to take in air, and the thick leaves squeeze out salt. Mangroves produce seeds and sprouts while they are still on the tree. These seeds become seedlings, sturdy little plants, before they fall off. Gordon studied how to make the seedlings grow right by the sea, in an area where the land is washed by high and low tides. When he started, then he started his planting project. Most of the people who planted the mangrove seedlings were women. The project gave them a way to earn money close to home. To grow by the sea, the seedlings needed extra nutrients. Workers filled plastic bags with fertilizer that contained nitrogen and phosphorus. Okay, these are nutrients that mangroves would get naturally from rainwater and streams created by the rain. The workers punched 3 small holes in each bag so that the nutrients would flow out flow out at just the right rate. Okay, then they buried the bags near each seedling along with an iron rod, because mangrove trees need iron too. The mangrove trees became a leafy green forest, 4 miles, 6.4 kilometers long. Like all plants, mangroves help the environment. Their leaves take carbon dioxide out of the air, and exchange the leaves give off oxygen, which people and animals need to breathe. The sheep and goats gobbled up the mangrove leaves. Gordon studied how much weight the animals gained from eating the leaves. He decided they needed more protein to grow bigger and have healthier babies. So the goats and sheep were fed a mix of mangrove leaves, dried mangrove seeds, and ground up dried fish. Okay, this mixture helped the mother animals produce more nutritious milk for their kids and lambs. Before Gordon started the mangrove tree planting project, the village shepherds had to walk into the highlands far away to find food for their sheep and goats. Once plenty of healthy food was available nearby, the animals lived longer, and the shepherds saw their flocks of sheep and goats multiply. Now the people of Hidalgo use every part of the mangrove tree. Bundles of dry branches are fuel for the fires that cook food for the mothers and fathers and the children. There is more meat to cook and more milk to drink. Because the families own more animals, the children are healthier. The mangrove roots are hiding places for many sea creatures, such as small fish, crabs, shrimps, and oysters. These small creatures attract bigger fish. As a result, the local fishermen catch more and more fish for their families to eat and sell. Gordon dreamed of mangrove forests planted in many parts of the world. Okay, he saw mangrove growing in countries with sea coasts similar to Eritrea. Okay, he also saw them in desert areas where salt water could be pumped in. The trees would help the local people in all the ways that Gordon's project had helped the village of Hidalgo. Gordon worked to make these dreams come true for as long as he lived. And this is a picture of the doctor. The end.